Vitamin C is highly beneficial when it comes to the health of our skin. It can nourish the skin well with all the essential nutrients and vitamins required for a healthy glow. In this video, I am going to share a vitamin C face mask recipe for lightening your skin tone. To prepare this face mask, you will need 2 vitamin C tablets, 2 tablespoons of rose water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Take the vitamin C tablets and crush them well until you get a fine powder. Now, add the powdered vitamin C into a clean bowl. Then, add all the other ingredients into the powder kept in the bowl. You can crush more tablets and add them if you find the consistency to be runny. Use a spoon to blend the ingredients well and your face mask is ready. Now, cleanse your face thoroughly and start applying this paste all over your face and neck. Gently massage your face in circular motions with this paste for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave the mask to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, rinse your face with running cold water and pat it dry with a clean towel. After that, apply any regular moisturizer on your face to prevent dryness. Repeat using this face mask on every alternate day to get some effective results. Honey can effectively moisturize your skin and offer a natural glowing effect to it. Rose water can make your skin feel refreshed and cool by hydrating it. It can also help to maintain the healthy pH balance of your skin and remove the excess oil from your skin. Vitamin C can prevent your skin from all the spots, scars, blackheads, facial lines by diminishing them naturally. It can also prevent your skin from redness, irritations and inflammations without causing other side effects. There are a few other ways by which you can include vitamin C in your skincare routine. Number 1. You can crush 1 or 2 vitamin C tablets and mix them with either plain water or coconut oil. Apply this paste and wash it after 10 to 15 minutes to get some positive results on your face. Number 2. Vitamin C face serum can also be prepared by mixing 1 tablespoon of vitamin C powder with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Also, add 1 cup of glycerin or filtered water and half teaspoon of vitamin E oil and mix it well using a spoon. Apply this face serum every night before going to bed, followed by a regular moisturizer. Leave it overnight and wash your face with running cold water in the morning to get better results. Number 3. Take a dollop of your regular moisturizing cream or lotion and mix it with a small amount of vitamin C powder. Use this cream twice on your face every day before applying the makeup on your face and before going to bed at night.
Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button on your YouTube app to never miss an update from Glow Pink.